Huh? Here? Huh? Ooh. YouTube! YouTube! Just noticed my... I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I will be doing daily videos now. I know. I say daily videos and then you're like, Sean, oh, by the way, you did daily videos. I am doing it now. I've been really busy the past few days. I am starting today for new daily videos. So, let's crack on. We're playing Minecraft. I just started a new survival mode. I got a new skin. I really don't like this world though, because it has this biome, but I really don't like this biome. Oh, you seen that lag? Yeah, you do see a little my background, but that's what me and my brother built. I'm actually gonna show what me and my brother built full, so I'm gonna cut this out and then we'll see what happens. This is what we've built. Just I changed my skin, so that was my old skin. I'm actually gonna change my background right now. Okay, this is I don't know why there's black down there. Anyway, this is what me and Colin have built. It's pretty crazy. Let's get Minecraft back up now. So I guess we just start getting some wood off of a new survival. I think that's the normal thing to do. Actually, I want to show you guys some stuff on my redstone testing world. So, hold on. Okay, get everything set up. This is my redstone testing room. This is just something that I made. So you put a block here and a block here, and it's a block mover. Anyway, this is inspired by Bumbo Jumbo. Shout out to him, by the way. See how there's nothing in here? There's nothing actually in the chest. Here. And then watch, if I turn this. Watch and listen. Oh, come on. Look at this. It takes, so when we're done, I'll show you how this works. This was April Fool's stuff that I made for April Fool's to my brother. I called this, it's really cool actually. Wait. It's a block transportator. So if you keep placing blocks here, it's kind of cool. And then if it actually stop. If I take this stuff and then we make it again, but over here. How did I make it? Okay. Why can't I place it there? So we'll do this, and then we'll do oh yeah, then we can have redstone. Let's go around here. We're gonna need a repeater. Oops. Anyway, let's put it over here. Nope, that's a comparator. Anyway, what I was saying that we can do a piston. What? Jeez. Alright, let's see this. So, first, second. Oh wait, I didn't place a piston here. Oh frick. And then that means if I place blocks here, there. And then it could be like a wall transportator too. So if we wanted this wall right here to be moved, you know, we can move it. See how this is doing that though? So wait. If we destroy these to make normal pistons, right here. Oh crap. Piston. There. Wait. You want sticky? Sticky's there. No. That. What is my keyboard doing? It's flashing. Look at this. My keyboard has never done that before. Wait. Look, it's flashing. That's cool. Oh, I don't do it anymore. I turned it on and off. See what would happen. There's a commode or something. Huh. That was weird. Anyway. Sticky's here. And then redstone. Jeez. And then we have a piston. That'll work. A normal piston. It would push it, and then we have redstone going along here. Crap. How do you do that? Because that will connect now. Oh my god. Oops. Can we do this? Oh, wait. No, we can do? Anyway. Wow. We place redstone here. You're checking it. No. Just. Oh, that'll work. And then we go into here. Ugh. Ooh. No, that won't work. It's the only way. You want to try it? No, it won't work. Here. Oh, wait. Wait a second. No, you can do is not that. What the say no more. There. Now we can go this way one more. That was a mistake. That's what I. Oh, frick. Oh no. There. And then we place one more. That won't work either. Oh my god. Okay. So, I'm close. Where else can I? Oh, wait. Whatever. Oof. We do that. Well, no, that won't work. How would I do this? This is it needs to be right here, so. Oh, I'm so dumb. Okay, let's try this. Let's destroy those, that way we have a fresh start. Okay, there goes one. There goes two. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So, that just broke it. Not anymore though. My nose is really running. Anyway, if we placed a block there and then kept it going, stand up here and just place the blocks, watch. Oh, I need to do something real quick. Okay, I'm back after a long. That took 2 hours to fix. So, if we do this. So I'm not going to be speaking, but I'm going to just focus on this. So, I can't cut it out either. So. Oh, yes, I can. Hold on. It's done. The old creation. The block transportation. I'm done. I'm done. Oh, well, I just noticed my whole background, so making sure it does okay. I just noticed. Remember how I started? It was 12 something. It's 4 o'clock. So, I'm gonna go get some rest, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.